YouTube, and today I am going to repair a Chinese iPhone 7. As you can see, it's looking like the genuine iPhone 7, but if you open the back, as you can see the back, if it is packed, then no one can say that this is fake or real. So after removing the bag, you can see the Chinese board here. So the issue was that the phone wasn't turning on. So let's make it turn on. So first you need to unsolder these 2 points of the battery, and you have to charge a battery a little bit using a power supply. You need to charge it for 3 to 5 minutes, and after 3 to 5 minutes you just need to connect the battery again, like I am going to do. So you need to solder the, you can see there is a mention, there dimension dB bad positive and the other one is negative. So you need to solder the black one on the negative point, and the positive one with the positive side. So after connecting the battery, you just need to, if it is turning on or not, or as you can see it's turned on. So you just need to replace the battery or charge the battery on the power supply for 10 to 15 minutes, and your phone will be fixed. As you can see, let's give the display. Let me show you. As you can see, it's booting again, and I have connected the power supply because the battery wasn't charged. So after charging the battery, you just need to put the battery back on and your phone will be working fine. As you can see, it says optimizing app 2 of 2. So thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.